have sharing this dais with Dr. Manish Kumar, who is again CEO, NABET, and Mr. Kashish Chand is also here. Okay. CEO of Association of Indian Principals. I just to know, do we really have many principals here? Can I have as to who the principals here? Okay. There are many principals. Thank you. Because this inaugural session is something which is devoted to ameliorating education for inclusive growth. Now what happens is, there has been a lot of talk around. When we are talking about the education and the growth, actually once education is, inclusive education is talked about, I had something very different in mind. Because when we talk of national education policy and we talk of inclusion, we talk of everyone, whether it is disadvantaged group, socio-economic disadvantage, or physically disadvantaged group. But when we talk of inclusive growth, I would like to tell one thing, that education in itself cannot grow. We need to have the people to make it happen. We have seen technology which was not much highlighted prior to COVID. Online learning, offline learning, then we had a new word called hybrid learning. Today, everybody speaks of hybrid learning. I remember we have an organization called COPSE, Council of Board of School Education. That's where all the boards of school education in India they come together. Now, looking towards the fast changing world, you must have seen COVID is still existing in the world. It has not gone. Now, everybody is learning about, because it is said there are three evergreen sectors. One is education. It is there, it will remain and keep on growing. Another is health sector. It will keep on growing. It's an evergreen. We need all good health. And another is food. There will be, it is said, never any recession in these sectors. Here, business to business, perhaps, what I understand, they have really targeted and brought all the people on one platform, where we need to interact and have a networking to understand how we can help each other out specifically in ameliorating education through business networking. Because today we need software companies, we need organizations that can make things happen. Because the government alone cannot make everything happen. I remember in most of the boards, number of outsourcing people are there. Government doesn't do everything on its own. What we do is, we invite tenders and we outsource things. Whether it is ERP, checking of fund system, there are some works core areas with the boards down. But again, technology integration will make things happen. The theme I understand is World Education concludes about it is education and EdTech. EdTech, Mr. Gautam, I would like to congratulate you for bringing everybody onto this stage. And the moment I walked in, I could see many of us were talking to each other, were exchanging business cards and trying to explore possibilities. It is not that only one person needs a business. It's the another one also is in need of it. And when our needs match, the gap is filled, then we get onto it. For inclusive growth, there is one aspect which is always there. It is that we have to work out the things we need, plan the things the way we want them to happen, and then go ahead in life. Now, in this session, one thing was going to talk about the type of things that are happening in the country. Let me tell you, today we are talking about one thing in common, that is education implementation as per NEP 2020. The thing that is going to happen in the days to come is that we are going to shift from knowledge-based education to competency-based education. We are talking a lot about vocational education. We have people with degrees, but we unfortunately do not have people who can make something out of their degree, can make things happen and deliver. The deliverance and actions and utility in terms of technology, in terms of social growth, will be the first and the foremost thing that will be required. And if we are able to deliver all this through education and technology, perhaps we could say that we are advancing towards our goal. For an inclusive growth, I would like everyone to participate, brainstorm, and go ahead. Like very recently, I was talking to Mr. Manish Kumar ji. He is from NABET, that is National Accreditation Board for Education and Training. The Board of School Education Haryana has a mandate from the government to hold on trainings. As a resource person, as a trainer, I have worked a lot on it. Perhaps, but the systems will be established by NABET. Standards will be established by them. Whether it is for Board of School Education Haryana or for CPSE or any other board, that is where the inclusion will come from. Our growth will come from an inclusion of NABET. So we have to identify who we need to include and then go ahead after including them so that we can all grow together and it becomes a win-win situation. Once again, I thank Mr. Gautam and his team for bringing us together and sharing our knowledge. Thank you one and all.